Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this equation brings complex number again. So let's solve it carefully. So x dot x minus x dot x equal x. Here dot means multiplication and we have to find the value of x. So let's solve it. So I can write x dot x as x square minus x dot x as x cube equal x. Now move all the terms to one side. So x square minus x cube minus x equals 0. So minus x cube plus x square minus x equals 0. Now I can take negative as common. So x cube minus x square plus x equals 0. So it becomes x cube minus x square plus x equals 0. Now factor out. So we can take x as common. So x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. So first x equals 0. Then x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. Now let's solve this. So first I'm going to solve this quadratic equation by checking its discriminant. That is d is equals to b square minus 4ac, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So here minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 that is 1 minus 4 minus 3. So its discriminant is negative. That means it has complex roots. So let's find out the roots. So x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. So I'm going to use quadratic formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus. We already find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is negative 3 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus negative 3. We can write it as 3 times under root minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. So x is 0. X is minus 1 plus root 3 iota. Here is minus, so it is minus. This becomes 1. So minus 1 is here is 1 by 2 and x is 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So beautiful symmetry, same complex roots. We already solved it before. So I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.